This video is a modern explanation of Genesis chapter 1, based on the New Living Translation. It's not a word-for-word reading of the Bible, but a simplified narration that explores what the creation story means for us today. In the beginning, there was nothing, no light, no time, no shape or sound. Then God spoke, and from that divine word, everything began. Genesis 1 opens with the most powerful idea ever written, that creation has a creator and existence has meaning. The heavens and the earth came into being, a universe full of potential, waiting for life to unfold. The first thing God creates is light. He separates light from darkness, calling the light day and the darkness night. This isn't just about physical light. It's a moment of order and purpose breaking into chaos. God begins shaping a world that is good, structured, and filled with meaning. This initial act of separation lays the groundwork for all subsequent creation, establishing fundamental principles of existence. Next, God separates the waters, forming the sky above and the seas below. It's a poetic image of balance, heaven and earth, both designed to work together. Even here, Genesis reminds us that creation is not accidental. Everything has a place and a purpose, meticulously designed and intentionally placed within this grand cosmic architecture. Then God commands the waters to pull back so that dry ground appears. He calls the ground land and the waters seas. Life begins to bloom, grass, plants, and trees, each with seeds to reproduce and fill the earth. Creation is now a living system, self-sustaining, vibrant, and full of potential. This moment marks the establishment of the terrestrial environment, ready to support diverse ecosystems. On the fourth day, God sets lights in the sky, the sun to rule the day, the moon to rule the night, and stars scattered across the heavens. These aren't objects of worship. They are signs, marking time, seasons, and rhythm. Genesis reminds ancient and modern readers alike that time itself is under God's design, a testament to divine order. Then, God fills the oceans and the sky with life. Fish of every kind swim through the deep, and birds soar across the heavens. God blesses them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply." It's the first recorded blessing, a sign of God's desire for life to thrive and continue, filling every corner of creation. On the sixth day, God creates the creatures of the land, wild animals, livestock, and small creatures that move along the ground. Each produces after its own kind, completing the living tapestry of Earth. Every ecosystem, every species, every movement, all declared good. This intricate web of life demonstrates the profound diversity and interconnectedness of God's creation. Then, the story reaches its climax. God says, "Let us make human beings in our image, to be like us." Men and women are created in God's likeness, capable of creativity, relationship, and choice. Humanity is blessed with purpose, to care for creation, to nurture life, and to reflect God's nature in how we live. It's not domination, but stewardship, a calling to lead with wisdom and compassion. God provides food and resources for every living creature, plants, trees, and fruit for nourishment. He looks over everything he has made and declares it very good. The story ends not in struggle, but in harmony. Creation is complete, full of beauty, order, and life. This perfect state reflects God's ultimate satisfaction with his handiwork. Genesis 1 isn't just about how the world began, it's about why it began. It reminds us that our world is intentional, that life has value, and that we are part of something greater. The same God who spoke light into darkness still gives meaning to our lives today. The first chapter of the Bible ends with a world alive, whole, and loved. A reminder that creation itself is a reflection of divine goodness.